The Supreme Court asked pointed questions, made suggestions, but did not order any stay on the special intensive revision of the voter list being carried out by the Election Commission in Bihar. The two-judge bench of Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia and Justice Joy Malia Bagchi took up the petitions filed against the electoral roll revision on Thursday. The court asked if the Election Commission has the powers to conduct a citizenship exercise. The bench said it was not questioning the authority of Election Commission to revise voter lists. The judges asked if there is enough time for the extensive exercise and if documents like Aadhaar, ration card, voter ID card can be included. The court wanted to know how the Election Commission will ensure due process and give a hearing to those excluded from the list. It also asked why not de-link the SIR exercise from the Bihar Assembly elections, giving a longer timeline for the revision and suggested that the draft rolls may not be published for now. The Election Commission vehemently opposed all suggestions. The court made many observations. During the hearing, Justice Dhulia said, "Who has documents in this document-starved country? Even I won't have birth certificate." The court said the Home Ministry deals with citizenship proof. It added that a disenfranchised person will be compelled to enter into rigmarole of providing citizenship. The court observed that once the electoral rolls are finalized and the elections notified, no court will touch the petition of someone removed from the electoral rolls. The petitioners argued the exercise will affect the poor and marginalized. The law doesn't allow removal from voter list without detailed objections and hearing. They claimed the Election Commission is forcing voters to prove rights while the law calls for the state or an objector to give proof. The petitioners said an en masse disenfranchisement can't be allowed and that the government's own data showed that the most people don't have birth or school documents.
On the ground, the situation was very different because the insistence was on to produce one of these 11 documents, and with the data that is coming from Bihar, large number of people did not really have those kind of documents. So even though the SIR itself has not been stayed, but the basis on which we were saying that a large number of people could be excluded, that basis has today been to a large extent effaced by the Supreme Court.
The Election Commission opposed the petitions. It said that almost 60% forms are already in and officers are going door to door. The poll body reiterated Aadhaar is not proof of citizenship. It is looking at citizenship, identity, age and residence. There is no intent to deprive people of their right to vote and claimed that the Commission has power to revise voter lists. It assured that nobody will be deleted without hearing and due process.
MPs are filing their petition, like Mr. Jha is MP of RJD, he is filing the petition here. But his political party has appointed 35,000 BLAs. So inappropriate, and I said to the court that I am seriously objecting to the maintainability of this petition for the reasons. Now the court has asked the Election Commission to consider certain documents. The Commission will take an appropriate view on that.
The court noting that it is the responsibility of the EC to conduct regular revisions, but also adding that there cannot be large-scale disenfranchisement of voters and that voters' rights and the roots of democracy must be preserved. With all of these questions and concerns, the hope is that on July 28th, the EC will return to the Supreme Court with some answers.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.